We're now showing that rockets aren't real, and I know this is going to make people angry, and that's fine. If you want to be angry, you can. But try and go against these points. It's, as we can see in the video, these aren't how rockets operate at all. That's how balloons operate. 1.5 million pounds doesn't just bounce. For those of you just spiraling, it's, oh, no. Rockets are real. Like a missile's real. And they go, phew. They don't just go, that's how a balloon operates. And the speed in which a rocket has to go in order to get into orbit would kill everybody on board. It's 20 miles away, and there isn't any delay whatsoever in sound. The devil's in the details, as they say. The details is where you see the devil. That's where the devil messes up. It's the details. And so, rocket ships aren't real. It's just crazy. And you can do, the reason that this is happening now is because we have so much technology available to the common man that we can start proving things ourselves. And it's mind-blowing. And that's one reason why the powers that be are trying to keep everyone retarded and watching pornography, because they're spiraling. They're losing control. This isn't all by design. I love quantum of conscience, but the one thing I disagree with them on is that this is all like third, fourth level by design stuff. These are wizards, man. They're trying to hold on to power and they're losing it. They're losing power and they make a lot of mistakes. You can say that you still believe the earth is a globe or whatever, and I'll still be your buddy, but don't act like this isn't profound. It's kind of like, don't be like one of those guys that's like, obviously Jeffrey Epstein killed himself in prison. Admit it's weird. Or else no one will respect you. Like, you're ridiculously exposed if you don't at least admit that what you're watching right now is pure mind graving. I'm about to show it to you with the sun. Fuck it, I'll just show you the sun one right now. You just saw the nickel one, and that chill little cunt had to say, yeah, but that doesn't work with the sun. Here you go, fuckface. God, I'm swearing so much today. I'm so aggressive today. I gotta relax. The world isn't a spinning ball. It's provably not a spinning ball. You can take a camera and figure it out on any lake. The math is all wrong. All the people who told you it's a spinning ball have been proven to be absolute liars, absolutely motivated by making you a prisoner in your own temple, your temples. And it's just like, just don't get mad at me, man. You don't get this kind of gravy at Thanksgiving. Yeah, I agree. Both those videos are subjective. No one is describing the science of the lens. You're now banned for life. No one needs people that are in denial. I just showed you 2 videos. One, like just in your real life with a nickel on a table. And I've done these things where you just zoom in and zoom out. And you can see exactly how a sunset works. And then some idiot said, well, that doesn't work with the sun. So lo and behold, I have an exact video done by a trusted source, a friend of mine, who shows you exactly that the same thing happens with the sun. And then someone goes, well, no, it's describing the optics. Well, motherfucker, it's time for someone to describe the optics. Here we go. Turns out I actually have the optics to describe.
And when you zoom out?
And then when you still are in denial, you'll still be banned. And you'll still be in your shitty little life, and I'll still be crushing with the bears. And no one needs your bullshit.
Length?
Oh, and another FYI, I'm not the one being heretical. The Bible says it's a fucking dome. Waters above and below. The corners of the earth. There's no corners on a globe. So don't even try and front on me on any of these levels. What you're claiming is heresy, not me. I'm so fired up today. All right, let's just keep doing it. Civil engineers do not use a globe model. They never factor in curve at all. Airplane pilots use a flat earth map. They never factor in curve. All of our maps are fucking wrong. And every single experiment you can do proves that the earth is not spinning, therefore it can't be a globe. If the earth isn't spinning, those aren't fucking... It's not a globe. It can't be a globe. What's happening is the sun and the moon are going around like... I think there could be many, many, many realms outside of the Antarctic ice wall. That's my theory. I can't prove it. But what you believe is so dumb that don't ever come here and tell me I'm the stupid one. because it'll affect the rest of your life. You know, it's just like when the sun sets, it's just going like this. It's going away. And what it does is it goes around. And then right now, this area is in darkness. And over here is light. And then it goes around like this. It's a plane. Did you know right now NASA claims that all the planets are spinning on a flat plane? Do you know the odds of that? If the Big Bang is what it says it was, it'd be spinning like this. No, they say it's all one flat plane. They're doing that to make up for the math around our flat plane. That's a dome. This is flat. So they claim this is the dome and that's flat. That can't be flat. If you have rocks flying around and this fake shit called gravity that was invented by a nonsense machine starts pulling in the objects, they would be spinning in all different orbits. They wouldn't be all spinning on a record player, because the math works for their model and the flat earth model, because one's dome is here and the other's dome is here. That's how it all works. It makes perfect sense. It's social shame that won't let people see it. Nothing functions with that. No one factors in the curve for snipers. The paths of airplanes are all as if it's the UN map of flat realm. There is no curve. The curve would be so profound that you couldn't build shit without factoring in the curve. So when you say shortwave radios, that's called a red herring in logic. Oh, that guy's a rapist, but he's wearing gray shoes. And that will work on stupid people. Stop leading people astray. If you can make a point, go for it, but I doubt you can. Don't just say shortwave radios. That's retarded. Obviously, it can be explained. It bounces off the fucking dome. You know, the firmament, Psalm 19:1. Read your fucking Bible. Stop listening to Jews. I can go on and on for hours on these topics. Chance it's a spinning ball. None. Would you like to rewatch the rocket take off? You know, the giant hot air balloon. Talk to any military guys about missiles. You set up a missile, it doesn't like wobble and then go up slowly. And then, do you know that they don't allow any human beings to watch it? All the clapping is added on. You're only allowed to watch it like 20 miles away through trees. And it just goes like that, and then it falls into the ocean right out of view. There's a really good chance that that's why the Bermuda Triangle was so fucked. The fear point around the Bermuda Triangle was to keep people from finding all the rockets. Like all the rockets that they said were up orbiting, that no one can see. Even though right now we have technology that should be able to see the lesbians in the window of the ISS. You can't. And so what are stars? What are planets? I don't fucking know. I'm just telling you what's definitely a lie. So just have some humility. People tell me, oh, you're being so arrogant. You have some humility. Stop telling people they're stupid when they're blatantly making great points. These points, I just showed you someone show a nickel. How it descends based on going that way. And the same with the sun. Now, you show me how this world is spinning. The wind would be 1,000 miles an hour in one direction nonstop. All air travel would only be would be factored with the spinning ball of the earth nonstop. Unless you were in a dome, which the globe earth does not have. Somehow our atmosphere just stays here and doesn't get sucked into the vacuum of space. And meanwhile, as the earth spins, this air just stays with the earth and just keeps it absolutely static. Are you insane? It's like, I get it. We've all been programmed. But like, stop. When someone says you're the dumb one, when someone first proposed flat earth to me, I said that they were insane. I get it. But it was in person and it was years ago. So like, stop that. Why would any of the ruling class want this information out? This is death to their status. They need you in your own mind prison in order to inflict their will on you. There's not a lot of them and they're very weak. So information really is, knowledge is power, but not the fake knowledge they teach you in school. Real knowledge is power. Really, really look at your world and figure out what it is. Acknowledge what you know, acknowledge what you don't know. But it's all mind gravy, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Unauthorized.tv, and if you used to be a Patreon of mine, email me at whydidn'ttheylaugh@gmail.com. Time to have some fun. All right, bye everybody.